Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for 11 years, and this is a Tennant T5 auto scrubber. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Let's say your machine is not putting out any water and you've checked the filters and the hoses for clogs and everything like that, and now you figured out that your solenoid is bad and you got to replace it. First step, go ahead and drop your squeegee assembly. Now we've already done that, and remove it. Remove the hose and get your hose up out of your way. Now right here is your solenoid. That is what opens and closes and allows the water to flow to your deck. You are going to need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of needle nose pliers. So now that you've located your solenoid, go ahead and unplug it and get your wires out of the way. Tuck those back in there. Now the solenoid is held to the machine by two Phillips head screws, 1 and 2 on each side of the solenoid. What you want to do is you want to remove those. So now that we've removed the solenoid from the machine, now we're going to go ahead and take the solenoid completely off here. Now you have an inside of the solenoid and then you have an outside of the solenoid. Now both of these hoses on the inside and the outside are held down by clamps. So this is where your needle nose pliers are going to come into play. What you're going to want to do is I always remove the far side one first, and this is the outside which goes to your deck. Take that, pinch it together, and then remove or loosen that hose clamp, and then you can pull off the solenoid from the hose, just like that. Now, go to the other side. Now that's your inside, and do the same thing. It can be a bit tricky. Now that we have the solenoid valve off, one thing I do want to mention is that you will have some residual water on the inlet side of your hose. So it's always a good idea to have a rag handy so that you can clean up any of the excess water that may spill out. So now that you have your new solenoid, we're going to install it on the machine here. First off, I like to take the outlet side and put the hose on the outlet side of the solenoid first. So just put it down like that. Shimmy it all the way in there, make sure it's nice and secure. And then take that hose clamp and put that hose clamp back on. Just like that. Now you can go and do the inlet side. Connect that back to your solenoid. And do the same thing, get that hose clamp, and make sure that hose clamp is back on there. Just like that. Now what we want to do is we want to reattach the solenoid to the machine. Take your Phillips head screws you took out and get them started. And then tighten those down all the way. Just like that. Then what you want to do is go ahead and plug your wires back into your solenoid. So now what you want to be sure to do is reattach your squeegee assembly to your whale tail and your vacuum hose to the squeegee assembly. And you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and click that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.